Hello guys, I apologize for the 9 months delay in uploading new videos. Thank you for your patience and continued support. Today we will talk about labels and their arguments. Let's get started. As usually we create an empty window. To create a label, put CustomTkinter.ctk label in the first argument, put the master widget app, and put the text you want display in the argument text in string type. Use one of the general geometry managers. I will use the pack manager. Run the code. And this is our label. For the regular arguments we have width, height and corner radius in pixel, font, foreground color and text color like the button arguments. The default of foreground color is transparent. For the new arguments, justify specifies how multiple lines of text will be aligned with respect to each other. Left for flush left, center for centered, or right for right justified. The default is centered. But there is a small problem when we want to put a paragraph in the argument text of the label. Let's try. As you can see, the text is displayed in one line. To solve this problem we need to use the argument wraplength. The wraplength option is used to specify the maximum width of a widget's text content before it wraps to the next line. It is commonly used with text-based widgets such as labels or buttons. To use the wraplength option in Tkinter, you need to provide a value representing the desired width in pixels. We have a window width of 400 pixels, so 400 pixels represents the required width of the label widget. So we set 400 pixels in wraplength. To create a new line in a Tkinter widget, such as a label or text widget, you can use the escape sequence \n. The anchor argument, the same in the button video tutorial, controls where the text is positioned if the widget has more space than the text needs. The default is center. As usually, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.